To take go.
Hello everyone, my name is Adrian de Alzona from Kinder Art Angels. Today, I will tell you a story about Age's Time to Shine. Once upon a time, there was a little unicorn. Oh, it's me. Yeah, Adri. Tap, tap, tap. Look at my shiny hooves. Oh, my horn. It goes twinkle, twinkle. I spin around. My friends fly through rainbow clouds. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. But me, I'm still learning. Oh, my horn. I will try again. Puff, puff. Nothing happens. My friends can sparkle. Why can't I? I remember. Ding! Mama once told me, it's okay, Adri, you'll shine soon. So I hop, hop, tap, tap, wiggle, and wiggle, and spin around. Pop! A beautiful flower grows. Wow! The moral lesson of the story is glitter, glitter, shining bright. Everyone shines in their own light. Be patient and try and you will shine. Bye-bye everyone. Thanks for learning.
Galing. Good job. Galing ni ate. Galing. Wow.
Mami, gusto ko talaga itong kasali sa whoosh,
Hindi. Di ba ganun yung wish mo? Di ba nagpa-fly ka?
whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. My friends fly to
Baka yun pa ma-focus ka dyan. Huwag sa practice yun.
whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. But, whoosh, 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 whoosh.
Wala naman sa practice natin yan eh. Baka makalimutan yung unin niya. Huwag na. O, dapat pala yung original yun. Kasi parang nag-move yung katawan mo. Parang nalipad, di ba? Di ba? Tingnan mo.